In a vast and ever-changing world shrouded in an intricate web of uncertainties, we inevitably find ourselves traversing the convoluted labyrinth of life. Within this enigmatic landscape, we encounter a myriad of perplexing predicaments that bewilder our minds. These challenges, though seemingly ordinary, possess an elusive nature that leaves us yearning for solutions, searching for guidance, and longing to transcend the confines of our own limitations. As we grapple with these intricate mysteries, heedless of their true nature, a deep sense of suspense lingers in the air, hinting at the transformative power that lies just beyond our grasp. Greetings, my fellow seekers of truth. Today, I'm here to share something extraordinary with you. Something that may forever change the way you perceive life, success, and the hidden powers within you. There are 3 things, my friends, that you should never collect or take from anyone. These seemingly harmless objects possess the ability to shape your destiny, control your perception, and hinder your growth. The power they hold is insidious, lurking in the shadows, ready to snatch away your dreams and aspirations. Beware, for these are the treacherous tools that can sabotage your path to success. Have you ever wondered why certain patterns keep repeating in your life? Why success seems to elude you? Well, my friend, the answer may lie within these 3 forbidden relics that Bob Proctor holds in his hands. These objects may seem innocuous at first glance, but their influence can be profound, shaping every decision you make, hindering your progress and limiting your true potential. Curious, aren't you? As we delve deeper into this captivating discovery, you'll uncover the secrets that elude the masses and gain the key to unlock an extraordinary future. But remember, knowledge without implementation holds no power. So grab a pen, clear your mind, and prepare to embark on a journey like no other. Are you ready to rid yourself of these barriers and claim the life you truly deserve? If so, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to stay tuned for the full jaw-dropping revelation that awaits. Brace yourself, for the secrets lie within your reach for those who dare to seek. All right, let's begin. In this section, I want to talk to you about the importance of critical thinking and forming your own opinions. You see, opinions should not be blindly accepted from others without any thought or analysis. Opinions are subjective, my friends. They are influenced by someone's personal background and experiences. So, relying solely on someone else's opinion may not accurately reflect your own thoughts and beliefs. That's why I encourage you to take the initiative. Conduct your own research and gain a deeper understanding of the subject matter. Become your own expert. By doing so, you can form your own opinions that are rooted in your own knowledge and perspectives. This approach promotes independent thinking, my friends. It empowers you to make informed decisions based on your own assessments. Proctor emphasizes how our mindset plays a crucial role in our success. By embracing a growth mindset, we can break free from imposed limitations. Believe in your abilities and the possibilities that lie ahead. Let's discuss the danger of adopting limitations. Proctor warns against accepting limitations imposed by others. Such beliefs create self-doubt, hinder progress, and limit our achievements. Explore common limitations in society and their detrimental effects on personal growth. Now let's talk about embracing unlimited potential. Proctor encourages us to expand our beliefs and explore our true capabilities. Recognize that potential is vast and limitless. We are capable of achieving greatness. Learn methods for challenging and transforming limiting beliefs. Proctor's emphasis on not collecting or taking money from anyone aligns with his belief in the importance of ethical and value-driven entrepreneurship. He encourages viewers to focus on creating value and serving others in order to earn money. By offering products or services that address the needs and desires of the marketplace, individuals can attract financial rewards. Proctor's philosophy suggests that the key to financial success lies in providing value that exceeds the amount of money one desires to earn. When we focus on genuinely helping others and meeting their needs, the marketplace responds by reciprocating with monetary rewards. This approach also promotes the idea of building sustainable and long-term success. By consistently delivering value and serving customers, individuals can develop strong relationships and establish themselves as trusted authorities within their respective industries. Proctor's belief in earning money through value creation reflects a commitment to ethical practices and a desire to contribute positively to society. By embracing this mindset, individuals can not only achieve financial success, but also make a meaningful impact on the lives of others. Next, let's discuss strategies for personal growth. Foster a positive environment that supports growth and encourages self-belief. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who believe in possibility. Set challenging goals and take consistent action towards their realization. Embracing failure and learning is crucial. Proctor emphasizes the importance of failure as a stepping stone to success. Failure provides valuable lessons and allows for personal development. Maintain a healthy perspective on failure to avoid being limited by fear. Finally, let's discuss unleashing creativity. Proctor suggests exploring innovative ideas and thinking outside the box. Friends, today, we delved into the insightful teachings of Bob Proctor and learned some valuable lessons for achieving success in our lives. Proctor's advice urges us to be critical thinkers and to never rely solely on others' opinions. By conducting our own research and understanding, we can ensure that our perspectives are rooted in knowledge, free from external biases or influences. He emphasizes the importance of earning money through providing value and serving others. Rather than seeking monetary gain through questionable means, he advocates contributing positively to the marketplace and adding real value before expecting financial rewards. At last, Proctor underlines the need to take full responsibility for our lives. By accepting that we have the power to shape our actions, decisions, and outcomes, we empower ourselves to proactively create the lives we desire. As we conclude, let's remember Proctor's key teachings. Think for ourselves, focus on adding value, and take responsibility. Incorporating these principles into our lives can lead us towards true success and fulfillment. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we look forward to sharing more insights with you in the future. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you found it incredibly informative and engaging. If you enjoyed this content and found value in it, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll ensure that you never miss out on any of our future content packed with valuable insights and actionable tips. Not only that, subscribing to our channel will also give you exclusive access to our community, where you can connect with like-minded individuals, ask questions, and share your experiences. We believe that learning and growing together is the key to success in your manifestation journey. If you have any questions or suggestions, we would absolutely love to hear from you. Leave a comment below and let us know how we can better serve you. Your feedback helps us improve and create content that truly resonates with our audience. Remember, our ultimate goal is to provide you with the best information and resources to help you achieve your manifestation goals with ease. So make sure you stay tuned for more incredible and valuable content coming your way. From the bottom of our hearts, we want to express our heartfelt gratitude for your unwavering support. Thank you for being a part of our community. We genuinely appreciate each and every one of you. Now, without further ado, it's time to say farewell, but only for now. We'll catch you in the next video, where we'll continue to inspire and empower you on your manifestation journey. Until then, keep believing, keep manifesting, and keep achieving.